Gentle. You gotta be gentle with it. Ooh. What do you think?
Meh. Oh my god. I don't want one. Wow.
Wow, Riley. He likes you all. Careful, there's like a little bit of flea stuff, like right now.
They're pampered. Oh. Oh, you're stepping on her. You're on his foot. Oh, good job, baby. Yay.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.